Alright, boys, welcome to the stream. Alright, everybody, welcome to the stream. This is gonna be a live trading session on gold, US30, USD, and I think USD JPY. So, at the moment, if you are live on stream, make sure to drop a comment, leave a like, and let's get straight into the stream. Alright, boys. Alright, everybody. I'm looking at Euro USD. I think I'm seeing the setup on Euro USD. So first and first, I want to come to like the 30 minutes time frame, and I want to spot my area of value. So I'm looking at, it depends on what I'm trying to trade for today. For the moment, I think I'll be trading supply and demand and probably FVG and all those good stuff. So this is Euro USD. Let me go down to the 5-minute time frame to see if I could get an entry point. Alright, so there's no entry. I can't find any entry on this pair. So let's go down to like, let's go to like USD JPY. So let's see if, because I think in the morning around like 9 a.m. London session or so, I saw a setup on USD JPY. I think on the 3-minute time frame or the 1 minute, I can't remember, but let me see. Okay, on the 5-minute time frame, this is where I saw it, and an entry. I was looking at this highs for price to take this highs out, which price clearly did at this point. Price took this highs out and came all the way down. So my area of interest for today is going to be on USD JPY at the moment. So I'll be looking to take a trade for a sell on USD JPY. So I'm looking at this zone. Let me see. I think this is a good area of interest. This zone here is a good area of interest, and I think I called this trade out. I'm not sure. Okay, no, I didn't call this trade out. I actually called this area of interest on the VIP group, on my VIP group on Telegram. I called this area of interest out, and I told all my subscribers that I would be looking for a trade at this zone. So I was waiting for price to break out of this this white line. This is my area of interest, and give me an FVG, which price is clearly did at this point. So I'm looking to take a pending order. If you guys are watching live, I would recommend you don't risk the bank. Like, this is just the trade I'm looking to take at this point. I'll be risking less than 1%, probably 0.5% on this trade. So don't go crazy with it. Just risk something really reasonable. Don't risk the entire bank on just this one trade. Alright, so it happens that my streaming network is just like terribly bad. So in case the stream ends, just have it in mind that I'm looking at this zone right here to take a trade. So let me quickly send it to my VIP group. Let me quickly send this setup to my VIP group and notify them that I'm looking to take a trade at this point. Alright guys, so I just sent this live trade to my mentorship group, to my Telegram VIP group. So let me show you guys that real quick if it's gonna show up. Let me see. I think it's gonna show up. Yeah, I think it's gonna show up. So I just sent this one. So we have only 9 members, 9 subscribers in the VIP group. So which is which is interesting because I just recently opened this VIP group to the public, and we already have 9 subscribers in this VIP group. So unfortunately, from the look of things, it looks like there's nobody online, which I usually say that you guys need to be online. Like you should be ready for my signals from 8 a.m. in the morning to like 5 p.m. in the evening. So I'm usually scavenging the markets, looking for a setup every single time. So unfortunately, if you're not live and taking this trade, this pending order, then I'm very sorry, because you're gonna miss out big time, you know. So I'm gonna share this trade to my free VIP group, to my free signal group, and let me see. Let me just show some love to you guys on the free group. So real quick, let me send that to the free Telegram group. All right, so unfortunately my stream is just poor. Like I'm seeing it right here, the streaming quality is terrible. So guys, I just sent the signal, like I said, to the VIP group, and if you're in the free group, I also sent this signal too. So you're lucky if you're in the free group, because this is a signal made for just my VIP members, but I'm sending it to both the free group and the paid VIP group. So if you're live on stream, make sure to drop a comment and tell me how bad the quality of my recording is. And I know it's very bad because I'm seeing it here. My stream health is poor, incredibly poor, which is like a rare case scenario when it comes to the way I set up my internet connection. So I think I might not be streaming for a while because of my internet connection. I think it's been like 5 days or so I last made a video streaming, and it's just because of my network. I've been trying to fix this, and it's just it's just not working. I've been trying to fix this network connection. But it's just not working. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm looking to take this trade here. I have my pending order set. So if you're gonna take this trade, please make sure to use proper risk management. Don't go risking the whole farm on one trade, on one setup. I would recommend you use proper risk management. Most likely risk nothing more than 1% on this trade. So I'm still waiting for price to trigger me in on this one, on this setup, and my first moving of stop loss to break even will be at 0.5 to 1. Yeah, at this point 0.5 to 1. So when price gives us an entry, then I'll be looking to move my stop loss to break even at 0.5 to 1. Alright guys, so if you're not subscribed to the free free Signal group, you can go to the description. The link to my Telegram group is in the description. If you want to join the paid mentorship, and guys, on the paid mentorship, it's something that I'm proud of, and I'll have to say it because we have not taken a loss for the past 1 week of trading. So if you want to learn more about my VIP group, then you can just DM me on Instagram to get more information on what my VIP group is all about. So I think my streaming quality is back. I think my stream health is back. So let's get straight into the video. So I'll be looking at let me check US30 to see if I can get a setup on US30. So for this setup, I'll be using a simple strategy, which is going to be supply and demand. So going up to the 15-minute time frame to look for a setup. I couldn't find one here, and let's check the 30-minute time frame. I think I saw one setup in the morning during London session. I'm not too sure. So let me check the 5 minutes time frame. Alright boys, so I think on the 30-minute time frame I can see an entry. So in the next 12 minutes, you guys should be looking out on US30 for a buy. Like, I'm expecting to see a bullish ride to the upside after this bearish candlestick you've seen at this point. I am predicting, it's a prediction guys, I am anticipating that my trade, based on my probability, the next trade is going to be a buying candle, like a bullish candle. So I'll be back in the next 12 minutes to verify this trade. Let's go down to the 3-minute time frame to look for an entry confirmation. All right, let's go up to the 5-minute time frame. All right, let's check out gold. Let's check out gold to see if we can find an entry. Let's see the 3-minute time frame. All right, let me check up the 1-minute time frame, the 15 minutes. All right, so let's see. I think I'm seeing a setup on gold. But this setup is looking more like a V. It's looking like it's my VIP kind of trading style. So I was sending this trade signal out to the VIP group. So I will get back to you guys. Let me quickly do that with my phone. Alright boys, so like I said, the stream quality is a little bit bad, and I'm sorry if this is gonna mess up the stream for you guys. But on the 30-minute time frame, you can clearly see that there's an FVG zone here. You guys should just bear with me with this stream for today. You can see there's a beautiful FVG zone at this point, and price gave us a retest on the FVG. So you want to check out like the 15-minute time frame, or probably the 5-minute time frame for your entry. So this is going to be an entry. If you're watching the stream live, I would suggest you take this trade here for your buy. Quickly take a trade for your buy. Your stop loss, do not risk more than 1% on this trade guys. Do not risk more than 1% on this trade. Your stop loss should be, I think, slightly at this point, slightly below this zone here. And your take profits, once price hits 1-to-1, move stop loss to break even. So I would say realistically, this is where the trade got triggered in. This is where I took the trade realistically guys. So 0.5, move your stop loss to break even. So at this point, your stop loss should be moved to break even. Guys, it depends if you want to be a little bit more risk adverse. If you want to leave the trade to run, then I would suggest do not move your stop loss to break even at this point. but let's trade hit 1 to 1. The reason why I like to say move your stop loss to break even on 0.5, and it's because of you guys, because I wouldn't want you guys to take a loss on the free signals. Guys, I'll be honest, guys, this setup isn't that much valid. I wouldn't say that much valid, because the way I trade, I have my VIP way of trading for my VIP students and my signal group, and I have the free kind of way of trading, which is for the streams and the free signals and all those good stuff. So what I would say is the probability of me winning on a free and all this live stream is around maybe 60-70%, but the probability of me winning on my VIP group, signal group, is around maybe like 80-90% and above. So this setup is a good setup. Honestly, it's one of my main setup, but I would say use proper risk management, because I'm not calling this straight out. I'll be honest, guys, I wouldn't want to be like one of all these live stream guys who just stream and, you know, drop out signals randomly. I'm gonna be honest, this signal is, I would say, like a 70%, 65% probability chance of winning, because this is our stop loss and this is our take profit, our 1-to-1 break even take profits, first TP. The chances of price hitting our stop loss is, I would say, is it's like 35% chance, and the chances of price hitting a 1-to-1 here is around, I would say, like 70%, like size times 2 of the probability of losing. So I would strongly suggest you guys take it easy, like use proper risk management. That is the most important thing I would say at this point. Alright guys, so if you're watching live, make sure to drop a like. It helps the stream a lot. And let me quickly check back on the pending order we took on USD JPY. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have been triggered in on this trade. This trade we took on USD JPY just got triggered in, and I would suggest you move your stop loss to break even on 0.5, which you can see price clearly went to 0.5. So at this point, your stop loss should be moved to break even. Your stop loss should be moved to break even. Let me quickly call this on my VIP group and also on the free Telegram group. So quickly move your stop loss to break even now. So I just called this moving of stop loss to break even now on the VIP group, and I also called it straight out on the free group. So I'm not gonna be calling out my main trades like this. This is one of my, I'm showing you guys an example of how I trade. This is my main setup. Like, this is how I trade. So I'm calling out this one. This one has a good chance of winning, a high, I would say like a 90% chance of winning, which you can see on like in less than 5 minutes. TP1 got hit on the VIP signals. So but this other trade I called, this second trade I called, which is this trade that we've seen on gold, is not that high of a probable setup. And I'm gonna be honest, guys. I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. So unfortunately, I'm so sorry guys for the poor quality stream, and I hope you guys just please bear with me. Just make sure that you are using proper risk management on these trades, guys. Please make sure you're using proper risk management on these trades. And I'm so sorry, I'll keep saying sorry to you guys, because I know it's very annoying watching streams like this and getting poor quality. It's very annoying, guys, absolutely annoying. So if you want to trade live with me every single day, I call out signals most likely every single day. I get signals every single freaking day on the VIP group. So if you want to join that, DM me on Instagram. It's a closed VIP group. I'm gonna be honest, guys, it's a closed VIP group. It's not as open to the public. And the reason is because I just don't want random people coming into the group and giving me bad reviews and all those and all those negative stuff, not good stuff. So if you're interested in joining the VIP group, just make sure to DM me on Instagram, and I will give you the private access to the VIP group. Actually, it's paid. It's a paid VIP group. It's not free, and that's the beauty of that. And that's the beauty of the VIP group. But there's no need you join the VIP group. You can just join the free Signal group, or you can watch me live trade every single day, and it's pretty much set. Like, as you can see, I called out my main setup on both the free group and the paid VIP group. So enjoy. Honestly, guys, this network is getting on my nerve. It's getting on my nerve, and I'm really pissed off with this network, guys. This is what we face in my country. You guys are living in like the first world country. I'll say I'm jealous of you guys. Honestly, you guys have a lot of options to get things done. A lot of payments gateway, a lot of good stuff. I must confess, a lot of good stuff, honestly. So this is a trade on gold, so I would not suggest you guys use too much risk on this trade. I would suggest 1% maximum risk. And I was talking about looking at US30. As you can see, guys, this trade hits our break even. So except you're like a little bit stubborn and you don't want to move your stop loss to break even, then you should be in a drawdown by now, which I usually don't like. I usually like to move my stop loss to break even at 0.5 or 0.75. As you can see, price went for like 0.77 on this trade. I was talking about looking at US30 on the 30-minute time frame. Like I said, I would be looking for a sell. So in the next 1 minute and 54 seconds, 53 seconds, 52 seconds, I will be looking to take a buy at this point. But guys, there is no guarantee to this, so I would suggest you use 1% risk max on this trade. Guys, if you're watching live, make sure to drop a like to help the stream. If this next candle on US30 close as a bearish candlestick below this bullish candle, below, like closing below this white line, this bullish candlestick, then I would be looking to take a buy, because this is indicating a manipulation of the sell side to go up, to go long. So, and the beauty about how I trade is I get a lot of break evens and a lot of wins, and I hardly take a loss on my trades. So I think I might take like 100 trades and I would win like 50 and break even on like 40 trades or 35 trades or 30 trades, and maybe lose 20 or 15 or 10. I think for this year I've not taken an L of 20 times. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. So So as you can see, this trade on gold is going in a drawdown. So that's why I had to point this out to you guys, that this is not my main setup. So you guys should be very careful with that trade. And looking at the at US30 I was talking about, unfortunately price did not break below that zone. So even if you would take this trade, I would suggest you risk nothing more than 1%, risk very little of your account. So this is how this trade is going to be like. This is how I'm going to take this trade. My stop loss should be let's say 20 pips. So my stop loss should be 20 and my take profit should be 1 to 2. So first and first, I would like to take my partials on this trade. So if price goes to like 1 to 0.5 or a 1 to 1, you want to move your stop loss to break even. All right, so let's wait for this trade and see what happens.